When it's time to get high, go to Goliath Grower's Garden. It's time to get high. Go to Goliath Grower's Garden.
What is up, YouTube? Goliath Grower here. Got a little update for you. Right here, we have a box. Of course, there's a box, and we're gonna open it and see what's inside. And inside the box, there is another box. So I'm gonna pull this out. So I pulled that box out. And that's right here. And then there's another box inside. So I'm gonna pull that out and see what's inside. Alright, so right here we have another box. So in that box, there was two boxes. Check that out. Alright, I'm gonna open them and we'll see what's inside. Alright, so here we are. I got the boxes open and let's check it out. We have ViparSpectra Reflector Series model V600. Comes with a user's guide, user instructions right here. I will put a link in the description to where you can get these lights, and I believe if you use the link you get 5% off the lights. Don't hold me to that. And if I don't post one in this video, soon I will have a discount code that you can use at their website to make sure you get that 5% off. So we got the a little foam padding here to keep it safe. We got the instructions, and right here we got a big light. And this is about, I would say, 16 inches by 20 inches. There's no size specs to it. What do we got here? We got power cord. It's got the T at the end, so that's nice. See the T? Those are really nice to have so your cords aren't always bending in a 90-degree angle. Then we got some cables here. It's got 4 clips. 4 little clips right there. Rubber coated cables. Very nice. And then one big carabiner to hang it from. There we go. We got the cables, the cord. Now I'm going to pull this bad boy out and we're going to check it out. Alright, here we are and we're back. This is what the front looks like. This is again the ViparSpectra 600. Let's get a little closer look to it. You can see the different colored LEDs in there. It's so reflective I can see my ceiling through it on the video camera. Look, I'm shining at another light right there. You can see some green stuff. I don't know, you could probably figure out what that is by yourself. Lots of green over there. But yeah, so it's very reflective. Here's the other one. The other one's standing up. So I've got 2 of them. And let's plug one in and see what it's like. Shall we? Very nice. Very nice indeed. Now, if you don't know how easy it is to hang these, I'm going to show you right now how to hang it. Alright. First off, it's got these really heavy duty mounts for the hanging. It's got rubber coated. It's got the rubber coated cables. And you're just gonna take this and you're gonna hook it. Whoops. In there. So you don't get it tangled up, make sure you lay out how you're gonna hang them in the beginning. So this one right here is gonna go to this one. This one's gonna go to this one. This one is gonna go to this one. And I just did this one, alright? So we're gonna do this one right here. That's how easy they go on. Let's do this one. Very simple. We got one last one. Right there. And now, you should be able to pick this up. As long as all of these are like that, and they are, you can just pick it up like that and hang it. And this is how you hang it. Very simple. Alright, you got your carabiner in your mouth. Oh, lights are turning off all over the place on me. Staying up late in the garden to do this. Alright, and that's how you hang it. It's that easy, folks. Now we are going to take our kilowatt reader and our power cord and we're going to hook them up. All we do is you plug the power cord into the kilowatt reader. Alright? And then you plug the kilowatt reader into your outlet. So we're going to do that. Plug our cable cord right into here. Like so. We're going to turn the light on. Okay, the light's on full blast. Look at that light. Look at how pretty that light is. Alright, now before I plug this in, I'm going to show you that it's reading zeros, so there's nothing else plugged into it. There's 0 amps, 0 watts. Alright, we got it plugged in, and I'm going to turn her on. Here is just the veg switch. Let her warm up a little bit. Alright, just the veg switch is pulling 130 watts, which is not bad. Just the veg switch is pulling 130 watts and just over 1 amp. Not bad. Now I'm gonna turn on the bloom switch. Alright, so this is with the bloom switch on. And it is pulling 2.08 amps. And 257 watts. 257 watts. Not bad. She's really bright. She's really bright. You can see the infrared right there. We got one right there. Right there. We got one right here. And then there's 2 infrareds right there. Pretty nice. Make sure you check out the link in the description for your own ViparSpectra light. Pretty sweet. Alright, we have the ViparSpectra 600 hanging right here. I love the cord on it. The power cord is awesome. It's got a 90-degree angle on the cord. So there's a lot less stress to the cord now. And then if you look on top, it's got the real heavy duty hanging mounts right there. It's a pretty solid light. You can daisy chain it right here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn on the veg lights. Let me show you what that's all about. Alright, there's the veg lights. You can see there's a couple yellows, there's a couple whites, and mostly blue. Looking pretty nice. Turn those off. We'll turn the bloom switch on. Here's the bloom switch. And it's mostly reds, some deep yellows, and some whites. Now here's both of them on. It's got the infrareds. It's got 5 infrareds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the 5 infrareds. I do not believe that there's UV lights on here. That's the ViparSpectra though. It's a pretty nice light. I'm liking it. Stay tuned for the grows I will be doing under the 2 ViparSpectra 600 LED lights.
When it's time to get high, go to Goliath Grower's Garden. It's time to get high.